Thanks for having me, Kelly.
So I'm trying to think of what would I predict? I guess I predict this whole YOLO economy is here to stay. This idea that people are going to kind of be piecing together work themselves, that's here for good. But maybe I'm wrong. I mean, tell me what trends you're already seeing as things gently start to reopen.
Certainly, we've seen that people want more autonomy around when, where, and how they work. And that trend started well before the current pandemic, with people shifting into the freelance economy. And that accelerated dramatically over the last year as more and more workers really got comfortable working from home and found that freedom worked for them. And actually, as more companies realized that they could tap into talent all over the globe to solve critical work that they really needed to get done, and really to close the skills gap and the talent needs that they had, again, pre-pandemic. And now as the world opened up for them and they could use their remote work skills to tap into talent everywhere in the world, this is something that they want to do even after their offices reopen. They really want to tap into these workers who are everywhere in the world.
And you guys are one of the best stock performers last year. I mean, obviously, people saw this as, to some extent, a pandemic play. What do you say to investors who go, you know what? Love the story, but I think there's going to be a reset. I think people are going to, go away from freelancing, at least temporarily, as corporate jobs really have to kind of pay up and offer these benefits to lure them back. And they might think, hey, this is more tantalizing now. Hey, I can actually do more jobs from different places than was ever available to me before.
Yeah, it's a common misconception, but in reality, the war for talent is not going away. And when we talk to CEOs and executives out there, they're really looking for new solutions to this age-old problem. And that's where Upwork comes into play. I mean, we have always served companies that were working from offices, but we're eager to access talent all over the world. And even as companies go back to work in offices, they're going to take with them their remote work skills. And the fact that they realize the benefits of tapping into this global talent pool, what we're hearing from them, even as they reopen offices, is, hey, we still want to access this great talent. We still want the benefits of not just the talent, but also the flexibility to scale up and down our operations using this amazing workforce and to have the agility, the cost effectiveness, and all the other benefits that come with that. So we are incredibly confident that even as the world continues to reopen, people still need the benefits of this workforce, and it works great for businesses. It also works great for talent. So it's truly a win-win.
Yeah, it seems like it's becoming more mainstream. You guys announced a new industry category today, the work marketplace, enabling freelancing to reach its full potential by giving freelancers and companies multiple ways to Upwork. So obviously we'll continue to watch all of this, but my last question to you is, what can you tell us about what's going on with wages? Are they going up? I've heard a couple of conflicting narratives. On the one hand, anecdotally, you hear stories about there being a lot of shortages, a lot of wage hikes, retention bonuses, that kind of thing, a lot of churn, a lot of turnover. On the other hand, people say, you know what, that's happening in pockets of the economy, but still not overall. I wonder if you can kind of point to which direction might be the case.
Kelly, what we see on our platform is, these are high wage earners. These are highly skilled freelancers with skills like web mobile software development, UX, UI design, writing and translation skills. So these folks are earning a lot already, and wages are increasing as the competition for their skills continues to be quite fierce. So we're very optimistic that, again, by opening up this marketplace and the competition for these workers continues to be more and more heated, these folks are in a great position to earn more and more and really set the terms of their engagement, as they always do, as basically business owners and entrepreneurs on our platform. So it's a really great day, I think, for workers who are able to really define the conditions for themselves around exactly how they want to work, who they want to work, where they want to live to do these highly skilled jobs.
Yeah.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.